Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we're talking about the 5 things you need to do as a homeowner to keep your HVAC system running efficiently this winter season. Now the first thing is changing your furnace filters. This is probably the most important thing that you have to do as a homeowner to make sure that your forced air heating system doesn't shut down this winter. I recommend starting the heating season with a fresh, clean air filter and changing it out every 60 to 90 days. During the peak of the heating season, when your system is working the hardest, you may want to consider changing out that filter more often, say every 30 days. Check the setting on your humidifier. If you have an inline humidifier attached to your forced air system, keeping the humidifier in the correct setting will be beneficial to the overall health of your home. That setting should be about 35% during the winter months. A well-humidified home will be healthier for the people that live in the home, and it will also be healthier for the building materials like the wood floors and the crown molding of the home. Number 3 also has to do with your humidifier, and that's changing out the humidifier pad that's in your inline humidifier. Help your humidifier run more efficiently by replacing this pad once a year. Number 4 is programming your thermostat. If you haven't invested in a smart thermostat by now is the time to do it. Not only is it super convenient to control your HVAC system from your phone, it's also going to be more efficient. Smart thermostats have data-driven features that not only help keep your home more comfortable, they also help you save money and heat your home more efficiently. Number 5 is to get a pre-season tune-up by a qualified HVAC professional. Having a qualified HVAC professional out to the house is smart, and over time it will save you money. This will not only prevent any major surprises, but you're also developing a relationship with a qualified pro, so in case that heating system does shut down in the middle of winter, you have somebody to call that's familiar with your system, and you will get better service because of that. Take care of those 5 things and your heating system will run efficiently and keep your home comfortable this winter. As always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.